Now, wow. Now, livelihood of people now they through scatter. So, Lagos State Environmental Sanitation, they just dismantle illegal structures erected in different places for Lagos. So, all these people, when they dismantle their illegal structure, how they want country they feed, they eat, because now they're for the same money. It doesn't mean, it not mean say what they did is right. So they would have given them the opportunity to promote their load, their property, the things that they sell. They just do finish scatter everything. Is that wisdom or foolishness? I don't understand. I don't understand. This time around where money they had to get, people where even they work, they know they see money. Now just destroy their things. Who won't come pay for that one? This one now people will be said to even eat the hard them. Now do finish destroy their things. Now give them time and they pack their load. That's just my own opinion. Now the matter guy I feel for them anyway. Country hard right now. Now still do they destroy their property. And now wisdom be this, I be my foolishness. I don't know. This is just my own take. That's all I can say. So bad. Very bad. Not good at all.
Vamos lá, mano.